Let's see how to remove background images in Wix. If you are looking to clean up your Wix site and remove unwanted background images, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, click on the Edit side to enter the Wix editor. Next, click anywhere on the background of your page and a menu will appear. Click on Change Background to access the setting. If you want to remove the background image completely, select None to replace it with solid color or transparent background. Once you're done with your changes, click Save and then Publish to apply them to your website. And that's how to remove background in image in Wix. See you soon!